Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll cover common Target gift card errors and how to easily fix them. 1. Gift card balance is insufficient error. Check your gift card balance by logging into your Target account. If the balance is low, use a combination of your gift card and another payment method to complete the purchase. 2. Target gift card not accepted error. Ensure your card is activated and hasn't expired. If it's still not working, manually enter the card number or ask a cashier to check the card in store. 3. Card information not found error. Double-check the gift card number and PIN. If you're shopping online, ensure you're using the correct field for the gift card number. 4. Transaction declined error. If your transaction is declined, contact Target customer support to ensure there are no issues with your card or account details. 5. Gift card lost or stolen error. If your gift card is lost or stolen, contact Target customer service for help replacing it. 6. Unable to redeem online error. Clear your browser cache, try a different device, or ensure your gift card is properly linked to your Target account. By following these steps, you can quickly fix most Target gift card errors. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.